What up, doe? I'm Mello the moodling, feeling cool and fly. Sky blue vibes as I strut on by. But moods can change, that's okay too. Let's explore them all, just me and you. Today feels different, kinda gray. My smile's hiding, slipped away. This glove was Grandpa's, old and neat. We'd play catch on our favorite street. But now the games have come to end. I miss my grandpa, my best friend. He'd tell me stories, wild and fun. Now those tales are all but done. Mello, wanna talk about it? I feel a mix of sad and blue, don't know exactly what to do. But maybe sharing how you feel will help your heart begin to heal. When you're feeling sad and blue, dance it out, it's good for you. Clap your hands and stomp the ground. Feel his love still all around. Every tear is just a beat, helping hearts find healing feet. Let the music guide us through. We miss him, yes, but still we play, 'cause Grandpa's love is here to stay. Sometimes when someone we love is gone, our hearts feel heavy, the days feel long. But memories live, they never depart, they're treasures we keep close to our heart. This is my memory box, filled with love, reminders of Grandpa now above. A picture, a story, his favorite song, they help me feel he's not truly gone. Let's gather items, big or small, that bring back memories we recall. A drawing, a trinket, a special thing into our boxes these treasures will bring. By holding onto these tokens dear, we keep their spirit always near. It's okay to smile, to laugh, to cry, our love for them will never die. We hold their memory in our heart, even when we're miles apart. Through every hug and every cheer, we feel their spirit standing near. In every song, they live anew. Let's move with the memories, let them flow, celebrate the love we know. With every step and gentle sway, we honor Grandpa in our own way. His love for us will never die. Through dance, we share, we laugh, we cry, holding Grandpa's spirit high. In every move, his love's expressed. Mood fresh, no stress, we feel our best. From the slide to the swing, we let it flow, sharing memories as we go. Hands to the sky, feet to the beat. Grandpa's rhythm keeps us on our feet. With every step, we feel him near, dancing through joy, love, and every tear. Mood fresh, no stress, that's our way. Dance it out, feel okay. Join us next time, don't delay. In Mellowville, we dance our feelings away. It's not goodbye, it's always see you later. Like, subscribe, and share.